Dear student, welcome to Web Technologies video lectures. This is N. Rajendra working as Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology, KITS, Warangal. This is our first video lecture. As we are familiar with OBLS, this is CDT1, that is Classroom Discussions 1. In this video lecture, we cover the following topics: HTML basics, HTML elements, attributes, lecture outcomes. After completion of this lecture, you are able to discuss basics of HTML, its elements and attributes. HTML, okay, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language, developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990 and officially published in 1995 as HTML 2.0. 2.0 is version. The latest version of HTML is 5. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language. How it is useful to us? We use this HTML to create static web pages. There are two types of web pages, static and dynamic web pages. Remember, HTML is used to develop static web pages. What is a web page? A document which contains information which is provided to a user via web browser. Web page is nothing but a document that provides specific information to the user via a web browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, any other web browser. This is about the HTML web page. Next, web pages are written in HTML. Now it is the point to how to develop the web page by using the HTML and executed by your browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. Yeah, just now we have discussed HTML is used to develop. HTML is used to develop what we will call static web pages. Web pages are either static or dynamic. HTML is used to develop static web pages. Yeah. This is about HTML static web page. Next, HTML document itself a text file that contains text and markup called tags. The HTML document contains what? A text. It contains text and markups will call marks up as a tags. We can use a text editor like Notepad to create HTML document. In this class itself, how to create and how to execute, that we will see. Next, HTML page is all about tags. Just we have seen it contains information and tags. The tag means what? Tags are similar to instructions in C language, instructions in Java, or instructions in C++. Their meaning is known to web browser. Okay, and interpret them to render text, images, and other thing on screen properly. Okay, if you develop an HTML page that is executed by our browser. A HTML page contains tags. What do you mean by tag? Instruction. The browsers know their meaning, and while executing, it will properly displays the text, images, and other elements on the screen according to the tags. Next, HTML document simply a text document. Just we have seen and just we have discussed. Basically, it consists of HTML elements. HTML elements, which in turn consist of tags and attributes. Now, important point is HTML document is a simple text document. Basically, it consists of elements. Elements in turn consist of tags and attributes. What is an HTML? HTML is an element in HTML usually consists of tag name, tag name, tag, close tag, and content in between them. This is the HTML element. I am repeating. HTML document consists of HTML elements, which in turn consist of tags and attributes. Now, HTML usually contains what? Start tag, close tag. Then some content is there in between start tag and end tag. The content may be any text or maybe one or more tag, or sometimes the content between start tag and end tag may be both. Next, HTML tags. Just we have seen HTML tags are similar to keywords, and whose meaning is known to browsers, and they use tags to display and format the content that is to be displayed on the screen. HTML tag contains three main parts: opening tag, content, closing tag. But some HTML tags are unclosed tags. So we do not have any closed tags. Next, syntax. Tag, content, closing tag. Opening tag, content, closing tag. This is the syntax of HTML tag. Okay. Note, HTML tags are always written in lowercase letters. Case sensitive. Tags are case sensitive. we should write in lowercase letters. For example, paragraph tag. Okay, whatever we include in between these two tags, that is displayed as a paragraph. Next, similarly, some other can see some other tags. Heading tag H2 open tag. Its closing tag is this one. Okay, heading tag. Next one, bold tag. Opening tag, closing tag. Okay, the difference between opening tag, closing tag is we will find forward slash. Okay, next tag is forward slash. Whatever the thing that is included in these opening tag and closing tags are displayed in bold. Similarly, italic tag, opening tag, closing tag, I slash I. So whatever the things that is included in these two tags is displayed in italic, underline tag. Similarly, HTML attribute. HTML attribute means what? We can say HTML attributes as a special ones, okay, which provides additional information about the HTML element, which provides additional information about the HTML elements. Each element can have attributes which define behavior of that element. This is very important. Attributes are special words that provides additional information of the element. The additional information may be how it behaves, how the elements behaves. Attributes should always be applied with stack tag. Okay, we should write attributes in stack tag only. The attribute should always be applied with its name and value pair. Name of the attribute, comma, its value. Here, attribute names and values are case sensitive, similar to tags. Attribute names, values are case sensitive and recommended by W3C, Worldwide Web Consortium. It should be written in lowercase as our HTML tags. Names and values are also case sensitive. So this is about syntax. Element, attribute name, value, content, and element. So this is an example. Style is an attribute. Okay, what it defines? The paragraph is displayed in this format. Structure of HTML document. The basic HTML document is looks like this. HTML tag, open tag, head tag, okay, title tag, then closing of head, closing, opening of the body, content of the body, text, closing the HTML tag. Then this is about the what HTML document have two blacks, head black and have two blacks. First one is head black. We can see head black. Head black contain control information and what is the title of the document. Body black. Okay, just we have seen discussed. HTML document will have two blacks: HTML black and body black. Head black contains what? Title. What is the title of the HTML document? And other control information that we will discuss in coming classes. The body block contains the content that is to be displayed to the user on the screen. Apart from content, the body block also contains tags which control how the content is formatted by the browser. To create HTML document, we should take help of any text editor like Notepad, and we will write the HTML code, and we have to save that program like HTML document. Okay, we can say like with dot HTML as extension, or like example sample.html. This is the name of the HTML document. Every HTML documents ends with the dot HTML extension. Okay, after saving the HTML document, we have to execute the HTML document. To execute the HTML document, we have to go to the directory where we have saved our HTML document with .html as a file extension. Then open a file with any browser. We can view the output of the HTML file on browser. So these are the steps. Lecture outcomes, revisiting. We will develop simple web pages. Reflections part. Okay, like questions, subjective type questions, or multiple choice questions, or true false questions. Okay, every end of every lecture, you will find reflections part where you will find multiple choice questions on the discussed topic. HTML stands for high text machine language, hypertext and links markup language, hypertext markup language. Fourth option is none of the above. Answer 3. Second, which tag or element defines HTML documents body? HTML tag is going to define. HTML body tag is going to define body, BDY, sorry. Fourth one is body. So now you can answer which tag defines HTML document body. The answer is body. That is sorry, D, not D. Fourth. Who invented HTML? Dave Ruggett, Tim Berners-Lee, Dennis Ritchie, all of the above. Any guess? Answer? Answer to this question is Tim Berners-Lee. So, suggested reading, you can refer this textbook, Uttam K. Rai, Web Technologies, Oxford Press, 2016, released. This is the prescribed textbook. But this topic you will find in chapter 4. Topics are 4.3 and 4.4. Okay, for some other information, you can refer tutorial sheets. Any queries? Thank you.